Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add buttons in Canva website. So it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we will find out a website in here. As you know, we can easily create a website by using our Canva platform in this era. So first of all, I will search for website here and then I will hit enter, and actually you can see we have a couple of websites in that place. So I will select one of them. Let's say this one will be quite good and the design is really amazing. So I will select this one, and here I will integrate a new button here. So I will go over here to the elements, and here I will search for the buttons, and let's hit enter, and here you will actually find out a couple of buttons. So just click to the see all, and here you can see this one is the start button. So let's say we are going to use this one. So I will decrease the size. So you can customize the button also. So you have this authority. So once you're done, then you just need to be click this three dot button, and here you can add any link if you want to add it here. Let's say we are going to add this Google Drive button. So I will paste it here, and then I will just click to the done. Once I click over here, now the button will be integrated here, and this way you can easily add your button. If you want to make your button by yourself, like full customize, you can do it also. You just need to go over here and search for the button website, and here you will find out all this button over that place. Couple of are free, couple of are not free, so you just need to find it out which one is applicable for you. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.